The 2015 Dodge Journey. Dodge Journey combines the practicality of an SUV with the comfort of a car, all while boasting a style all its own. The Journey's optional third-row seat, along with innovative features like a chilled beverage cooler and in-floor storage bins, make it a good and affordable alternative to a traditional minivan. This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, power steering, alloy wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, security system, electronic stability control, compass, CD player, rear window defroster, power windows, fog lights, trip computer, heated steering wheel, heated front seats, tachometer, remote keyless entry, UCONNECT hands-free group, brake assist. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.